Hello everyone, welcome to our paper, scissors, glue online craft activities. For these sessions, you will only need to provide your child with paper, glue, scissors, crayons, sticky tape, old magazines or wrapping paper to enable you to make these crafts. We will provide you with a list of what is required for each craft activity before we start each session, so everything can be at hand ready for you and your child to have lots of fun crafting together. If you don't have any glue, you can use flour and water to make a simple paste. Right, let's begin and make our newspaper elephant. To make our newspaper elephant, you will need a cereal box or cardboard, a big plate, a small plate, newspaper, sticky tape, scissors and glue. This is a fun craft that can be enjoyed by all ages. We need to begin with cutting up a newspaper into small squares, which is going to be used to cover the elephant's face and ears. So carefully take your scissors and your newspaper. For this you can cut quite big strips. Take your strip and cut it into squares. You may need to cut up quite a lot of these to make sure that you have enough, because you don't want to run out. Once you feel you have enough of these newspaper squares, take your cereal box or something similar that you have at home and make sure it's nice and flat. We need our plates, the larger and the smaller plate. We're going to place one of these onto the cardboard and we're going to draw around it. I'm just going to cut the cardboard in half to make it easier to cut out. Take the smaller plate. And again, draw around it. This one's going to be the elephant's face, and this is going to be the elephant's ears. We now need to cut round them. This can be quite tricky, so ask an adult to help. Get rid of the extra piece. Now cut around the smaller one. Again, ask for help. It can be quite tricky. So we have two circles, a larger one and a smaller one. Next, what we need to do is use our glue. And start to cover the larger circle. Doesn't matter if they overlap, as long as the whole thing is covered. It's a little bit easier this one because the larger squares. Continue to cover it until it's fully covered. For the smallest plate, you need to cut it in half. This is going to be the elephant's ears. Again, using your glue. Cover it with the squares. There we go, there's one elephant ear done, and do the same to the other one. There we go. So we've got our elephant face and our elephant ears. What we need to do now is make two little holes for the eyes. We decided it was quite easy to use a glue stick. That's a small circle, so we're using the lid So again, just draw around. Again, this can be quite tricky. Maybe ask an adult to help you with this too. There we go. So we've got this. The ears. So now what we need to do is attach the ears onto the elephant's face. You can either use glue or sticky tape for this. So I'm going to use sticky tape for this. One. You can use sellotape or glue. Okay, let's put some glue actually on here. Okay, look a bit more sturdier. There we go. So we're nearly there. What are we missing? We need the elephant's trunk, don't we? So for the elephant's trunk, we need larger strips of paper. So what we need to do for this, and we're going to make a paper chain. You can make it as long or as short as you want to. I might make this one quite long. So you just need a bit of glue. Make it into a circle like this. Take your other strip, fold it through. And keep on going to make a paper chain. I'm going to put one more on, so it's quite a long one, this one. Brilliant. Now we've got to attach, let's get rid of this, it to the elephant. Let's put it there. And there we have our brilliant newspaper elephant with his very long trunk. Thanks for watching us, and we hope you've enjoyed this online craft today. If you'd like to share any of your finished designs, please post onto our Hull Library's Twitter or Facebook page. We would love to see what you have made and how you've let your imagination run wild. Thanks again everyone, stay safe, and we hope to see you all soon.